Guru Nation, I told you for the site selection visit, if the CRA is cool, I'll do an interview. She's definitely cool. Right? I found me a cool
Hi.
one. Her name's Sandra. Sandra's awesome. She's well, why don't you tell them a little bit about your career? Let me tell you, a lot of people watching want to be CRAs. So that's
Okay.
who primarily watches, but also like potential site owners. But really, it's a lot of the people, they would love to be in your shoes. So can you tell them a little bit about how you got in?
Sure. I started as a study coordinator, and then after some time, I wanted to move up because I saw that there was a lot of CRAs coming on site, and I asked them a bit about what they do, and it seemed really interesting to me, and I wanted to be a bit more involved than just being at one site. So I applied, and after a bit of training, I was able to move up. Started as CRA one, and then worked
Wow.
my
So
way
how many
up.
years as a coordinator before CRA?
About 3 years as a
3 years.
coordinator before
Do
CRA.
you think
Yes,
7 months is too little? Somebody was asking me today.
I would say go a minimum of a year.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my best advice. If you're able to get a little bit more, it's best to have a bit more experience before you get to CRA.
And how do you like being a CRA? What kind of studies do you work on?
I work in oncology, CAR T studies, just regular breast cancer studies, a lot of different oncology, rare disease, hepatitis, vaccinations, ophthalmology,
Ooh,
dermatology.
yes.
So it's a wide range.
That's the one we're here for our dermatology site, which is across the street, and then this is our internal medicine site. Any advice? I know if you're our monitor, I'll interview you more. But we'll leave a cliffhanger. But any advice for people wanting to be a CRA? Is it worth it to be a CRA? And what's tough? Like, what's the toughest part about it?
It's definitely worth it to be a CRA. I would say it takes a lot of dedication because you have to really put some time into it. But it's worth it at the end of the day because you get to experience a lot of things that people don't get to experience. You get to be more involved in the aspect of research that we only get to see when you're not a CRA. I would say if you get the opportunity, work hard and really try to go for it. The greatest parts that I like is the traveling. It's not always great because you get stuck at airports, but otherwise you get to see a lot of cities. So yes,
And you
it's
get to go all
great.
kind of big cities, small
Yes,
cities.
you do.
You'll get to if you come here to Yuma, you'll get to like it. What'd you think of my PI over there at the other
He's
place?
great. He's awesome. He's very involved. He communicates well. He spends time with the CRA. Um, Obviously, for dermatology studies, I haven't had any bad experiences, so this is really good. The PI here is great. So yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. Do you have a LinkedIn? People can find you. You
I
want me to put
do.
it?
I haven't updated in quite a long time,
Okay.
so I'll probably update it before I send it to you.
Okay. So if you want to get a hold of Sandra now, just message me, and then when she has it ready, I'll connect you. You just have to
Sounds good.
remember. Thank you very
All right.
much.
Thank
Have a
you.
safe trip.
Bye, y'all.